Editing a product or group. To make changes to a current product or group, log into your GEM site. Hover your mouse over the main menu and click Products. Remember, this word may have been changed in your company settings. Once clicked, you will be brought to the Products page where you can view all of your existing groups and products. Under Actions, you will see Edit, Delete, and Move. To edit an existing product, click the orange Edit button. This will open your product dashboard. Once under the product dashboard, you will see Basic Settings, which includes name, tagline, descriptions, level, product type, display and remind settings, as well as theme or colors. You also have purchase options, members, activities, and program settings. To view more options for your groups or products, click Show/Hide Advanced Sections. In this section, you will see promo codes, waiver settings, waiver history, profile fields, and widget snippets to connect to an existing website. You may also find expiration settings, notification settings, social settings, and links.